Welcome to Myths Garage, an automotive channel where we break common car myths using real engineering facts. Before moving forward, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. For decades, car owners have passed down maintenance advice from one generation to the next. Some of that advice is useful, some of it is outdated, and some of it is completely wrong, despite being repeated so often that it sounds like common sense. In this video, we're examining 4 widespread cooling system and fuel efficiency myths that continue to confuse drivers around the world. Is plain water safe for your radiator? Does coolant last forever? Does using the air conditioner dramatically increase fuel consumption? And does driving without AC actually keep your engine cooler? The answers may surprise you. Let's begin with one of the most common beliefs. As long as there's liquid in the radiator, plain water is perfectly safe. At first glance, this seems logical. After all, water is excellent at absorbing heat. In fact, pure water can transfer heat very effectively. This is why many people assume that filling a radiator with water instead of coolant is harmless. The reality, however, is far more complicated. A modern vehicle's cooling system is designed to operate with a carefully engineered coolant mixture, not plain water alone. While water can absorb heat, it also has several major weaknesses. First, water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius and boils at 100 degrees Celsius under normal atmospheric pressure. Engines regularly operate at temperatures that push cooling systems close to these limits. Automotive coolant changes these properties significantly, lowering the freezing point and raising the boiling point. This allows the cooling system to function reliably in both extremely cold and extremely hot conditions. The second problem is corrosion. Inside the cooling system are various metals, including aluminum, steel, brass, and sometimes copper. Water alone provides little protection against rust and corrosion. Over time, corrosion can damage radiators, water pumps, thermostat housings, engine passages, and heater cores. Coolants contain special additives specifically designed to prevent this type of damage. The third issue is lubrication. Components such as the water pump rely on coolant additives to help protect seals and moving parts. Water lacks these protective properties. Extended use of plain water can accelerate wear and potentially shorten the lifespan of cooling system components. This doesn't mean water should never be used. In an emergency situation, if coolant is unavailable and the engine is overheating, adding clean water can be a temporary solution to help reach a safe location. However, it should not be considered a permanent replacement for proper coolant. The myth that plain water is always safe for a radiator is simply not supported by automotive engineering. Another common misconception is that coolant never expires. Many drivers believe that once coolant is added, it can remain inside the vehicle forever. Since coolant doesn't disappear quickly and often still looks colorful after years of use, it's easy to assume that it remains effective indefinitely. Unfortunately, that's not how coolant chemistry works. Modern coolant is much more than colored liquid. It contains a blend of chemicals and corrosion inhibitors that protect the engine and cooling system. Over time, these additives gradually break down. Heat cycles, oxidation, contamination, and normal chemical aging all reduce their effectiveness. As the protective additives wear out, coolant becomes less capable of preventing corrosion, scaling, and internal deposits. Old coolant can also become acidic. When this happens, instead of protecting the cooling system, it can actually contribute to corrosion and component damage. Water pumps, radiators, heater cores, and even engine passages may suffer as a result. In severe cases, neglected coolant can lead to overheating problems and expensive repairs. This is why vehicle manufacturers specify coolant replacement intervals. Depending on the coolant type and vehicle design, replacement may be recommended every few years or after a certain mileage. Some long-life coolants can last significantly longer than older formulations, but none are truly permanent. The idea that coolant lasts forever is a myth. Like engine oil, brake fluid, and other automotive fluids, coolant eventually reaches the end of its service life and must be replaced. Now let's move to a myth that directly affects fuel economy. Many drivers believe that using the air conditioner doubles fuel consumption. This claim has been repeated for years, especially during summer months. Some people even avoid turning on the AC because they think it causes massive fuel waste. There is a small amount of truth behind this belief. The air conditioning compressor requires energy to operate. In most conventional vehicles, that energy ultimately comes from the engine. When the AC is running, the engine must work slightly harder to drive the compressor. Because of this additional workload, fuel consumption does increase. However, the increase is nowhere near as dramatic as many people imagine. In modern vehicles, the impact of air conditioning on fuel economy is usually moderate. The exact amount depends on factors such as vehicle size, engine type, outside temperature, compressor efficiency, and driving conditions. Under certain circumstances, fuel consumption may increase by a few percent. During extremely hot weather, the increase may be somewhat greater. But in normal driving, the air conditioner does not suddenly cause the engine to burn twice as much fuel. Interestingly, driving with windows fully open at highway speeds can also reduce efficiency. Open windows increase aerodynamic drag, forcing the engine to work harder. At higher speeds, the fuel penalty from aerodynamic drag can sometimes rival or even exceed the fuel penalty associated with air conditioning. This means the common strategy of avoiding AC at all costs is not always the most efficient choice. The myth likely survives because older vehicles had less efficient air conditioning systems, and drivers could feel a noticeable drop in engine performance when the compressor engaged. Modern engines and AC systems are far more advanced. While air conditioning does consume some energy, the claim that it doubles fuel consumption is greatly exaggerated. Finally, let's examine another cooling-related misconception. Driving without air conditioning keeps the engine cooler. Many people assume that since the AC places an additional load on the engine, turning it off must automatically reduce engine temperature. While the idea seems logical, the reality is more nuanced. When the air conditioner operates, it does place additional demand on the engine. However, vehicle cooling systems are specifically designed to manage this extra heat. Modern radiators, cooling fans, thermostats, coolant passages, and engine control systems work together to maintain a stable operating temperature regardless of whether the AC is on or off. In fact, when the AC is activated, many vehicles automatically engage radiator cooling fans more aggressively. These fans increase airflow through the radiator and condenser, helping remove heat from the system. In certain situations, this additional airflow can actually assist cooling performance, especially when the vehicle is stationary or moving slowly. What truly determines engine temperature is the effectiveness of the cooling system itself. Factors such as coolant condition, radiator cleanliness, fan operation, thermostat health, water pump performance, and ambient temperature play a much larger role than simply switching the AC on or off. If a healthy vehicle begins overheating whenever the air conditioner is turned on, the AC is usually not the root cause. Instead, the extra load may be revealing an existing weakness within the cooling system that was already present. The solution is to diagnose and repair the cooling system, not simply avoid using the air conditioner. These 4 myths demonstrate an important lesson about automotive maintenance. Vehicles are complex machines designed around engineering principles, not assumptions. Plain water may cool an engine temporarily, but it cannot replace the protection offered by proper coolant. Coolant does not last forever and requires periodic replacement. Air conditioning increases fuel consumption slightly, but not dramatically enough to double it. And driving without AC does not magically keep an engine cool if the cooling system is functioning correctly. Understanding how these systems actually work helps drivers make better decisions, avoid unnecessary repairs, and maintain their vehicles more effectively. In the world of automobiles, facts are always more valuable than myths, and a little knowledge can save both money and mechanical headaches in the long run.